How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel for another 240SX Hot Hatch Rebuild Series video. In today's video, I'm going to be taking the transmission off and I'm going to be replacing some of these components. In this video, I'm going to be replacing the output shaft seal and the clutch slave cylinder. All right, got everything covered up that needs to be so I can power wash it. Let's get this thing cleaned up. Much better. Still a couple spots to clean up, but she's looking good. All right, all cleaned up and good to go. Got the underside nice and clean. So I grabbed another one of these off of another trans that I had bought. So I'm going to be replacing that boot with this one. Make sure to clean and re-grease your mating surfaces. Gotta make sure she's nice and lubed up. Looking nice and fresh. So next I'm going to be replacing this output shaft seal. So basically what I did is I just pried in there with this little screwdriver. Make sure not to scratch up the mating surface here, but this will just pop right out. So here's the new one, and this is your part number here. Try and clean up in there as much as you can. Then you're going to grease this bad boy and pop it back in. So it's easiest if you have something to hammer it in with. So I found that this 36mm axle nut socket is the best tool for that job. As you can see, it lines up perfectly. So when I put it in there, I can hammer it on that slightly and then it'll push it right in. All right, as you can see, it's nice and clean. So now I can put that new seal in. Just get a light layer of that on there. All right. New output shaft seal is in there. She's ready to go. No more leaks will be coming from there. Well, that does it for this video. We got the transmission cleaned up, we got the output shaft seal replaced, and we got the clutch slave cylinder replaced. Now it's time to go back in the car. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed that video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for future content, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.